Hi everyone, I'm at my small work area and I wanted to show you not my pencils and not my journal and not my artwork and not my roses. I wanted to show you this Bible, which is the journal The Word, which I have purpled myself, by the way, if you see that. You can't buy them like that. And I'm picked up writing it again, writing the Bible out, and I started here. I was finished off in Acts some months ago because I'd spent a lot of time reading. I did my 21-day read the full Bible as well, and I thought I'm still reading the Bible. I thought I'd really like to do this, so I picked it up in Acts. Tested a few pens out, didn't like them, going back, just continuing on in my regular one, and done a couple of chapters. I think I've done 5, and today I'm back in it again. I started over there, highlighted some bits, and thought you might like to see it close up. I'll use the zoom, and you'll see, hopefully, if I sit really still, because on Zoom it wriggles around, that you can read it. So there's the text. Let me not zoom, let me go back to normal, beg your pardon. Don't know what I'm doing here. Okay, and I'll hold it down with my hand. Okay, wait for it to focus. It's not focusing. What have I done now? I don't normally do this. Anyway, yeah, closer. So you can see that you can read it, and I'm here. So it says, there you go, continues on from the chapter before, and I've written down to a bit of chapter 16, which is there. So there it says that he came from Derby and Lystra, came to Derby and Lystra, etc. And I do the chapters like that. So go up to the top, and you should be able to read it. Now that's my handwriting, so maybe you can't read it, but I can read it because it's my handwriting, just like you can read your own handwriting. You know, it's always not always the same, especially cursive, because that's how I write, and small. But you can see there are actual words there. I'm not just writing scribbles and pretending that I'm writing the Bible, ha. Because I really am writing the Bible. Anyway, I lost my pen. Use this pen, which is in Australia it's a Pilot, but in America I think you got another brand that you can go that small, and I like the blue. And I wear my little glasses, which are just fit in a little tube like that. So they're just little close-up ones. They're number 1 or something. Had them for years, and I can get close enough comfortably to write that small, right? And I've done a lot, as you know, and I just want to get stuck in again. My average was when I did hundreds of pages, my average was 2 pages a day, but some days I do just lots of pages, and then I stop. So, thought you might like that. Maybe you want to do it yourself. I hope so, because you know, it doesn't matter how long it takes. We're not trying to do this in 21 days. Anyway, while I'm here, I'll show you my really nice journal. I've got several of these, and these are by Elim art. I get them in Australia from Coorong Bookshop, Bible Shop, and it has, you know, it's embossed in. It's really pretty, really soft, a soft vinyl they use, and each one, got another one handy. That's my red one that I've got. I've got a stack of them, different colours, and they have that a design etched in. They have scripture, and says what it is, and on the back, same and more. They're fully the vinyl stitched, but what's really good about it is that the don't see my notes particularly, the book's stitched, so it's there. Been making notes today. They're fully stitched, real quality. They've each page has got a verse and a little bit of a design on it. Where is it? There. A little bit of a design, and I've got my camera on a little bit too close up. Anyway, they're great. Recommend them, and I can get many months worth in there. You think, oh, I counted the pages. Where did I write that? Counted the pages. Might have been on this. Did I count the pages there? No. I counted them yesterday. I think there's like 80 pages, which makes 86 pages. And then there's, you know, double that. So it was 84 pages. So it was 168 pages you get to write on. So you get a lot of writing. Anyway, I keep losing my spot. There's another page. But got my pens handy in my little spot. So and write the Bible. It's worth it. Really satisfying, and you're really doing something. You're in the Word. So yeah, got it. So join me, write the Bible, and read the Bible. Read your other Bible, and write this Bible, and read this Bible while you're writing it. That's how it goes. Anyway, thanks for watching. God bless.